wheel cleaner demo. Check it out. See that? When was the last time these wheels were cleaned? 8 months ago?
Yeah.
8 months ago. Maybe longer than that, before the winter, right?
Yeah.
October? Okay. So, let's let the camera roll. Pump my little jammy up. Here we go. This foams way more than aluminum too. It does, right? Yeah. I told you. This stuff works great, man. And the cool thing is, look, we just get right into the barrel. Yeah. And that's what you can't do with a sprayer. And on a truck like this is like, yeah, that's the way to go, man.
That won't get the wax off the thing.
Nope. So, just dip it down. Oh yeah, look, we got your tire too. Because it cleans the rubber. All your tire dressing. You see it working already?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, look at that.
Pulling right off.
Yeah. So look, let's get the camera close to show everybody in the YouTube world. Look at all that dirt. Look at that, man. It's just eating it up.
Good.
Eating it up.
Good.
Yeah, it works freaking good. If you want, spray down the back wheel. We're just gonna video the front wheel, but
yeah, that's fine. Yeah,
we're gonna clean the truck anyway.
Yeah.
Isn't it great to use the wand?
Yeah, it's nice.
Right? I mean, you don't have to like bend and go crazy,
exactly.
And
Go in there.
it's the way to go, man. Camera's rolling, guys. Look at that brake dust and all the dirt. Got no gloves on.
Well, when it's clean, we'll go run truck cars over.
Yeah, I mean, look at that, man. Let me just move the camera. I'm going to show everyone. There's the back rim.
It's coming off over here.
Look at it. That's the autofanatic wheel cleaner in action. You see it. These are real videos, as real as it's going to get. I know a lot of guys think I'm using fake brake dust. Hey, they think I use fake brake dust. Where do you even get fake brake dust?
I don't know. You buy it.
Yeah, I'm going to take a brake pad and I'm going to pulverize it so I can spray it on the rim. Alright, we're going to give the front rim and tire, we're going to hit this one. There we go. Wow. Now, Evan, come over here, check it out. So, I mean, you can't get more of a real test than doing it on a white rim, right? I mean, look at that.
That's crazy.
That's a white rim.
It was yellow, now it's white.
Now let me stick my hand in the back barrel. Perfectly clean, guys. Zero agitation, low PSI electric power washer. These rims haven't been cleaned since October of 2017. Until this car was torn apart and a lot of work was done to it over the winter. And this is the first day that it's been out. So you saw it here first, the autofanatic wheel cleaner on a lifted off-road GMC truck on a set of white painted rims. So questions, comments, posted below. It's the real deal, man. autofanatic@yahoo.com. See you guys soon.